Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and time to do the next speed test comparison. And this time we have Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 versus Honor 9N. And Honor 9 doesn't have a Kirin 710, it has Kirin 659 versus Asus. So without any further ado guys, let's get straight in the video, starting with the boot up test. We should start. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you do it, and also hit that little bell so you're notified. Let's see, I've already done the speed test with Honor 8X. You can check that out on the channel as well. So Asus is actually really quick when it comes to boot up. Let's see. Okay, yes, once again Asus faster, and Honor 9N, okay, taking some time. Okay, so yeah, let me quickly set this up and all. Okay guys, so everything is closed. Let's get started. Phone dialer, faster on 9N. Calendar, again faster on Honor 9N. Settings, okay, this was faster on Asus. Camera, faster on Asus. Chrome, okay, so this was faster on 9N. Let's try to open some social apps and some as well as popular apps as well. WhatsApp, faster on Asus. YouTube, okay, open and loaded on Honor 9N. Pinterest, faster on 9N. Snapchat, okay, this was faster on Asus. Facebook, okay, that was really same. Okay, let's quickly open Instagram. Okay, I think that was a little bit faster on Asus. Let's try to open some games, starting with Orbia, and faster on Asus, just a little bit of difference. Smash it, let's see, and okay, again little bit faster on Asus. Let's open a few more games guys. This is Real Race 3 or Real Racing 3, and this is actually like a little bit heavy game. Let's see, and yes, it is faster on Asus once again, and actually Honor 9N taking a lot more time in this, and still taking some time. Let's see, okay, it's done finally. Flappy Bird, okay, this time faster on Asus. Subway Surfers, and looking pretty similar. Okay, now faster on Asus, and Honor 9N again done as well. GTA San Andreas, and this is again looking faster on Asus. So gaming wise it's Asus all the way, and you can see that it's done. Let's open some shopping apps guys. I'm connected to the same Wi-Fi. Amazon, open and load in on Asus. Banggood, again no difference, same result. Flipkart, and again faster on Asus. So Asus seems to be just crushing Honor 9N. But anyways guys, let's quickly check out the RAM management. Here we go. GTA in the RAM. Smash it, refresh on Asus. What about this Real Racing? It's refreshed on both. Subway Surfers, it's in the RAM on Honor but refreshed on Asus. Orbia, refreshed. Flappy Bird in the RAM. Banggood, refreshed on Asus. So yeah guys, there we have it. Speed test between Honor 9N and Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2. And RAM management wise, Asus it just seems to be like decent right now. Maybe after the update it will improve. But yeah guys, this time Honor, and like, subscribe, share, more videos on the way guys. As always, peace out.